Hey guys, it's Kimberlee and welcome back to my channel. I make videos on all things lifestyle on a budget, and I'm so excited because I'm finally getting a couch. I believe I'm getting a couch. I'm getting a couch from Ikea. If you saw my 4-month update, you know that I was missing a couch and I was talking about how it was hard to figure out which kind that I wanted. I had mentioned that I wanted the Ikea Friheten. Oh, I'm so happy that I didn't choose that one because I had to get smart about my space. I really wanted a sleeper sofa and I really also wanted a chase. You have to sacrifice some things in life, kind of let go of the reins of certain things, and I had to just be like, think logical. You don't want your space crowded. You want a nice comfy couch. Like, let's relax a little bit and think again. So I went back around and I started searching and I came across the Morabo, also known as the or something like that. It used to be in one name, but now it's called the Morabo. And I saw this really nice light green color and I was like, that's in my palette. That's in the colors that I, envisioned for my space. Everything has been sold out, like sold out. Like this couch was only in New Jersey, and the way that Ikea works is that they only work like in their local areas. It's so bizarre to me because I feel like you miss out on a lot of purchases. The New Jersey store would not ship to my New York address. The only way that you can get that couch is if you go to New Jersey. Well, I don't have that ability to do that. I was like, well, when are you gonna get this couch back in stock? Like, do you have any idea? And I've praised this woman because she did so much like digging and searching. She gave me a little heads up that she was like, next Sunday, we're supposed to be getting a shipment in, about like only 4 of them. And I was like, lean in, and just come here early and maybe you'll be able to get that couch. And I was like, thank you. So that whole week I was like prepping for it. I was like, all right, I'm getting there at 10 a.m. I'm getting that couch. We're gonna order it. And then on Saturday, the day before, I just decided to go on the website and just kind of check again. I just kept putting in my address and normally it would say not available, not available. This magical time it said it was available. The couch was going to be able to be shipped to me on May 22nd, which now is at the end of this week. As much as it's annoying with Ikea where you always feel like you put in your address and nothing ever comes up, you kind of have to keep doing it because eventually it will pop back up in stock. So I'm so happy I was able to get the couch that I wanted. It's getting dark in here because of the lighting. I wanted to get the ottoman that came with it so that, you could put your feet up and it's kind of like having a chase, but that looks like it's going to be out of stock for a while, so I'm just going to wait. But here's my next dilemma. Will it fit? My door is not 36 width. It turns out my door is 32 width. But then a wise person in my life who's better at math than I am, thanks mom, was like, look at the measurements of it the other way. So it's 36 width, but then the height is only like 20 something. And I also went on to YouTube and I looked at other videos of people getting the couch delivered, and I can see that it's basically a long but then like flatter box. So I should be in the clear now, which is really, really exciting. Very happy about that. Anyway, so in a couple days, I'm going to be getting this couch and it's going to go right into this area. I'll show you guys right here. So it's going to go in this area. As you can see, there's nothing but my ring light over there. That wall is actually 90 inches. I know it like kind of looks smaller, so it should fit. Soon there's gonna be a couch there. Better late than never as we approach the 6-month mark of me living here, It's all good. Okay guys, so today is the day. I just got a little notification that the truck is like a half-hour away to deliver my couch. It's really funny because I have an acting class starting in like 15 minutes, so I'm pretty sure I'm going to have to load all this in while being on Zoom, but like I'll have my camera turned off. Also my shorts like definitely match my chair. It literally felt like Christmas Day, and I was like so prepared to be like, remember you have to turn it on its side. And then we ended up having another dilemma. The angle for my door, it was not going to fit. They tried and I was like, oh no. But then they're like, all right, let's just take it out the box. And so that's what we did. And I just started hauling these pillows into my place because I just felt really bad. And I think they didn't want to get a parking ticket. And they were actually able to do it by the height and bring it right into my place. So thankfully they were able to take it out the box. And then I just got it. And then I took in all the garbage as well, which was even more hectic than the actual sofa process. Okay, so it is hours later. I had my acting class, so I had to just kind of get this in and then like leave it there. It took me a while to realize, again, it could fit easily this way, but the way my building is set up is that the corner was too tight. So they were like, we can't get this in. And I was like, oh no, oh no, oh no. Yeah, it's here. And I am just beside myself because when your vision is like, comes to fruition, it's just amazing, and I feel like the couch totally fits. I am also so happy that I don't have to build a couch because I really don't think I could. I just have to put on the little legs in those little holes right there. So there's 4 that I have to just screw on. Most of the stuff came in like little bags in the back, so we just took it out. It has like the instructions and all that. These are the legs. I am an idiot and you should never do things in a rush, and I didn't realize there were wooden legs that were this color, which totally goes in my place instead. They're only $20. Honestly, didn't even know until I was looking at the couch again a day before it was coming. So I'm debating on spending the $20 and buying the wooden ones. I did see that these come with like a little cover, so maybe I won't hate the metal as much, but this is just a friendly reminder to pay attention to what you're gonna buy. I'm just, you know, that person that doesn't pay attention. Obviously, I won't be able to flip my pillows, so again, something I have to be conscious about, but again, that's IKEA life, that's how it works. All right, so you put the cover on. This is funny to me. This is very funny to me. Does it not? It fits. And there's a little hole that you're supposed to, they did like a little hole, but it's really not that cut well. It's not very convincing, but that's what's supposed to happen. And then you put one of these on, and then now let's put this in one of these. That is it. I have a couch. Okay, so I want you guys to see I'm 5'4.5", and my feet are actually a little bit off the floor. So this is not as low as I thought it was. I don't know why a couch just feels so real when you have a place. I've been here for 5 months, but the couch just makes it like I have a place and I can have people over. And this is enough for 3 people to sit. Maybe I will keep the metal legs, I'm not sure. The couch is actually fairly easy to move on my own, so if I wanted to, I could lift it up and then re-screw it. It's not horrific, but it just, you know, doesn't really fit in with the wood theme. On camera, I guess you could see there's like a separation here, but that doesn't bother me too bad. Again, another 5'4.5" moment. I am here and I could sleep long. So if you've got any short friends, they could totally hang out and sleep over. If anyone else is tall, as soon as IKEA gets the ottoman back in stock, then I could have my legs up, or that other person could have their legs up as well. So, wow. Over here, sorry my place is messy, I just moved a couch in, but it really fits so well and it doesn't look like it's way too big or whatever. Next up is to decorate for pillows. I don't even know what color scheme I want, but I can't wait to decorate with some more pillows. This is my couch. I'm so happy. I just always want to put things in my space that I truly cherish and love, and it's exactly what I wanted. I love the color, I love everything about it. Now I realize I am really happy that I didn't go with the love seat because I think it would have just been a little too small for here. In terms of comfort, because you know I was really big on that, this is so comfortable and it's bouncy too. I like that. I don't want firm. But I actually feel like I feel like people that do like firm couches would like this. There's just a little bit of a bounce to it. It's very comfortable, not too firm, not too sinking. If you are short, your feet might hang off a little bit. I don't mind that. The way that I'm sitting, because it has a longer seat, is that you're gonna sit back into the couch unless you sit back like this. So people that want their feet on the floor and they want the back closer to them, maybe they'll have an issue with this. I don't. I'd say this is great quality. Highly recommend this if you want to have this kind of style in your place. If you guys are interested in the Morabo, I'll have the links and everything down below. I hope you're able to get a delivery date. I hope it's in stock. There's a lot of different colors, different styles, etc. But I wanted to go with this one here and I'm very, very impressed. If any specific questions about the Morabo, please comment them down below because I know what it's like when I was looking for couches. I wanted everyone to just lay out all the facts. but in the moment of my excitement, I may have forgot something. I thank you guys so much for watching and continuing to be on this journey with me. If you want to see more home decor content or how I got to this place, definitely check out my playlist for everything dealing with this New York apartment. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.